Tattoo infections, its treatment and care. Tattoos have become an increasingly common sight nowadays. About 4 in 10 Americans have tattoos. Since tattoos have become less controversial in the workplace, the popularity of the tattoo trend may convince you that there's not much risk associated with it. But that is far from true. We agree that tattoos are a great way of expressing yourself artistically. However, getting a tattoo does possess some risks. Inserting a needle filled with ink into your skin has the potential of causing infections. The needle may introduce foreign substances into your body, thus resulting in a tattoo infection. Furthermore, getting a tattoo from an unlicensed place is unsafe. When you decide that you want a tattoo, go to a licensed and experienced tattoo artist. In today's video, we have covered everything you need to know about infections caused by tattoos and how to take care of them. Watch till the end of the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post new videos every week. Things to keep in mind before you get a tattoo. Number 1. Consider which part of the body you want to get inked. Any part of the body can be a possible risk area for infection, but some places are more prone to bacteria and moisture, making those areas infected more easily. You should look out for places like under the arm, lips or feet. These areas take longer to heal as well. Also, be careful about getting a tattoo on your hands and fingers because you touch many substances with these areas and they can get infected. Number 2. Find a professional licensed tattoo artist. Tattoo artists have to follow the universal precautions, which is a standard for anyone who is in contact with bodily fluids, blood, and take the blood-borne pathogen training. An artist who is properly trained will be professional and will use sterile equipment. So make sure your tattoo artists have a fresh sterile needle and clean gloves when operating on you. Keep in mind that your tattoo artist is also responsible for making sure that your skin is correctly prepared before getting inked. Number 3. Be patient during the healing process. Even if your tattoo artist does everything following protocols, there is still a chance that your tattoo might get infected. Therefore, what you do after leaving the tattoo parlor determines the healthy healing process. Your tattoo will heal on its own if left clean and unbothered. Ask your tattoo artist about aftercare and remember to not touch your tattoo even if it seems tempting. How to identify infected tattoo? The symptoms will help you identify an infected tattoo. The most common symptom of a tattoo infection is a red rash or bumping skin surrounding the tattoo. In some cases, your skin may feel irritated, especially if you have sensitive skin. However, most of these symptoms fade away on their own within a few days. But if these symptoms persist for more than a week, you should talk to your tattoo artist and doctor. See a doctor immediately if you experience any of these symptoms. Abnormal shivering and fever, extreme hot or cold flushes, swelling near the tattoo area, red lesions or red streaking surrounding the tattoo area. Pus, if the area's tissues seem hard or raised. Staph infection. Staph infection is one type of infection that you might get after a tattoo. Staph infections are treatable, but staph bacteria usually form resistance to regular antibiotics. This can make prescription treatments ineffective. Staph bacteria can also enter your bloodstream and affect internal organs, which can lead to serious conditions such as sepsis, toxic shock syndrome, and arthritis. See a doctor immediately if you experience these symptoms. Fever of 102 Fahrenheit or more, any ache or pain in your bones or muscles, unquenchable thirst, sores in the affected area, swelling, impetigo. How to treat an infected tattoo? If you experience minor bumps or rashes, those can be treated at home with OTC antibacterial ointment, rest, and keeping the area clean. But if your tattoo gets infected, a doctor can treat it the best. Your doctor may conduct a swab test or lance a pus pocket to diagnose which bacteria or virus likely caused the infection. Depending on your diagnosis, the doctor will recommend treatment. For example, if your tattoo was caused by MRSA bacteria, then antibiotics may not be the right treatment and your doctor will need to drain the area. In rare cases, surgery is required. Whereas, if your infection is persistently itchy or there are painful bumps, these symptoms will fade gradually with long-term antibiotic treatments. How to take care of your tattoo at home? Follow these tips to take care of your infected tattoo at home. Number 1. Take your antibiotics diligently as prescribed by your doctor. Number 2. Wash your tattoo with clean water twice a day. Don't use products containing alcohol or hydrogen peroxide as it may slow down the healing process. Number 3. You can cover your tattoo with a fine layer of petroleum jelly and a non-stick bandage. Number 4. Reapply the petroleum jelly and change your bandage as required. Number 5. Make sure you are well rested and well hydrated during the healing process. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.